Well, some exoplanet news. This one is about a study about a star called k2-138. K2 is from the Kepler second light mission. Kepler was launched in 2009, and by 2013, it was found that the reaction wheels that kept them pointing in one direction failed. So, a second mission was started. That's where then the star is one of the stars that were found with planets afterwards. Kepler lasted for about 14 years and looked at over 530,000 stars and found about nearly 3,000 exoplanets. The data in this study was from the Spitzer Space Telescope, which was an infrared telescope, and also CHEOPS, the Characterization of Exoplanets satellite, which was launched in 2019 by the European Space Agency. This study was just to nail down some more data points for the planets, to test another method called the transit timing variation method, which is the planets can influence each other's orbit and their periods, which will change over time. The most of them were found to be about 10 minutes. That's planets B, C, E, F, and G. But planet D was found to have a variation of 60 minutes, which means that they nailed down the mass of the planet to about 8 times 0.8 times the mass of the Earth, and with the electricity of 0.16, and that value E is how squished it is. So the Earth around the Sun is like 0.01, and this is 0.16, so it's quite a elliptical planetary orbit compared to most. The star itself is about 0.891 times that of the mass of the Sun, and a radius of 0.839 that of the Sun, and an effective temperature of 5,354 degrees Kelvin. So it's a bit smaller than the Sun. It's just a bit cooler. It's about 3.3 billion years old, and it has, since it has planets, it has metals, but the iron to hydrogen ratio is 0.07 plus or minus 0.05. But the orbits of the periods they have a resonance, which means that an inner planet would go around the Sun 3 times, the next one would go out 2 times, and like planet B, which is the closest one, is 2.35 days, and planet C is 3.56, D is 4.40 days, E is 8.26, and F is 12.76 days, and G is 41.9 days. Okay, hopefully somebody found this interesting, but I just thought to try doing this instead of writing an article on it. But yeah, I should have had a better script. Okay, I hope everybody has a good day, and goodbye.